Hello everyone. In the last video, we were trying to add a user, right? We will we were trying to create a new user, right? So let's start from there, okay? And we were on advanced tab, so let's move on there. Sorry, on the configuration tab, right? And here we have users, right? Click on that user. So we don't have any option to create a new user, so just search for anything and hit enter. So now we can have a create user option here. Click it, right? So provide all the necessary option information here. It is username. uh, we will call it our, I think in the last video we were trying to create a user named Teresa, right? So fine, click next, call it a super user, edit, next. We will have to select a catalog, as we want to add this user for in a particular catalog, right? Okay, so edit, next, store. So in the last video we were trying to store add this user in a particular store, but in our last video this uh, store was not coming here, right? That we had created earlier. So let me add, then I will tell you why it was not coming earlier. Fine, so add for now. Next, assign the specific warehouse. We already have created one, right? Add, next, price list. Have we created any price list till now? I think this one we have created, right? So Amazon first, edit, or if not we can create a new one as well, right? So let's add it, and we can show in uh, in some time that how to create a price list here, right? Now finish it. Now search the user that we have just created. Okay, here it is, Teresa T, and these are other information that we had provided, right? So what next? Come to this configuration tab, user roles, right? That this user role we have already created. So if you want to, if you are happy with the roles that are provided here, then it's good, but you can create your own new role here as well, right? So from here, so for now just stick with these options that are available here, right? And so yep, we are done with here. So let me show means why we were not able to uh, why we were not getting any store while we were creating a new user, right? So the problem was, let me show you here, right? So the problem was earlier, if you will see the store state, earlier it was under constructions, right? And that's why we were not getting this store uh, in the user when we were trying to create a new user, this store was not coming just because the state was under constructions. So as the store is now ready, we can change the state as well, right? We just make it open, right? You can see the it is changed. So means whatever it will be except under constructions, the option will be available in the other tab like users and all, right? So well, we are done with these, right? All the options available. So now move to the catalog, and right, the Amazon one we were working with, right? Here the information that is available with Amazon, right? Just expand it little bit. Yeah. No, so you can see that we are on the summary tab, right? Just a second, I think it is not the one. Double click on the Amazon. As we have not provided any information, that's why it is not coming here. Just right click, just a second, let right click on create category, add a category here, right? So what will be the category code? You can say for now you can say category like any category. You can say like suppose I'm saying electronic, right? So you can see that we don't have any category type here, right? And that's why we are not able to create any category. So before creating any category, we should have category type created, right? So just cancel it. Open it, right? And here you can see we have category for now we are on summary page for this catalog Amazon, right? And here at the bottom you can see that there are different tabs available, right? And one of these tab is category type. So from here we can create any category and then it will be appear uh, everywhere else, right? So just move on one by one, right? Amazon, we already have created selected these languages while we were creating the Amazon catalog, right? The attribute tab, if you are happy with these attributes, it's okay. If not, you can create a new one, right? Move on to next one, cart item, modify a group, right? So you can create any group code uh, means for the cart item modifier, means who can modify the cart, right? For those things like let's call it admin uh, modifier English only. Like you can say name, spell name, max size, you can say anything like required. No, it's optional, right? You can say go to picture, picture. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, edit. Okay, category type, create a new one. uh, See, we have this category attributes available here. If you want to add any new thing from this attribute tab, we can always create a new attribute that will be appear here, right? So for now, we are giving the category type a name. Let's call it electronic. Okay, edit. So we do have one category that is electronic, right? We are fine with this. Product type. See, now we are talking about the product. So before creating any product in the system, you have to create a product type, right? So electronic default text code, I would say GST, right? It will be default one. Feature. See, attributes and card item modifier groups are not coming for now, as we had just created, but we have not saved it yet, right? Product type has multiple SKUs, leave it. That's a discountable item. Okay, so go with the default option for now and just finish it, right? So electronic, and we don't have multiple SKUs for this. If you want to add it, you can always SKU options, add SKU options, SKU code, you can say washing machine fully auto, right? Brands, what brands we have available in our store? I would say LG add, I will say IFB add, you can say Samsung, fine. Okay, so it is already available there, so just leave it and save all. So on these options we have added in our Amazon catalog. Okay, so now let's check what is available where, right? See, earlier this admin modifier is was not coming here now, but now it is coming here. It is because we have saved the information, right? At that time it was not saved, so now just add it, okay, and finish it. So our product type is ready as well, right? Now I'm just checking means if I have missed something or not, or we are good to go. So yeah, I think we are done with the catalog, right? Just save everything, save all right. Now go to configuration, go to your stores, go to Amazon, one more thing that I wanted to show you guys, right? uh, to create an store, you have to provide this information, right? If you are the select highlighted one that I have, the store admin email address, store from email, and the sender address, right? So this sender address is a mandatory one, right? So you have to provide this one, and from here you can edit it, right? So this is what I wanted to show you. And this assigned value, this is a mandatory one as well, right? So I'm showing you just so that you can keep in mind that you don't miss these things, okay? So I think we are good. To keep this video short, right? We are we will stop here, right? And in the next session we will pick the new things from the elastic path, and we will see what other things are available in elastic path, like the price listing, the reporting, right? All these things we will check in the next video. So guys, thanks to watch, and keep keep coming, and if you like the video, please like it, and you can subscribe as well, okay? Thanks, bye.